If being gay is passed down genetically, but gay couples can't really have kids, then times 20 minus 2, carry the chaps. Where did gay people come from? New studies show that being gay is a result of genetic and external factors. Want to understand the science of sexuality? That's today's BFD.
Brain Food Daily.
Life is an enigma, and tucked inside that enigma are the mysteries of human sexuality. Like, why am I attracted to jerks? And why do guys have nipples? Seriously. Now, these are the sorts of Japanese koans that may never be answered. But on the question, why are people gay? Science is answering some of those questions. Simply put, scientists have found that humans pass down between 5 and 15 genes that affect our sexual orientation. Case closed then, right? All the gays were born that way. But wait, wouldn't that mean that the first gay people would partner up, have 0 kids, and then poof, no more gay people? So how did we end up with Project Runway? Funny story. Remember how in olden times we used to repress homosexuals like thousands of years ago? Not that we do that today or anything. But remember how back in the day, even someone like Oscar Wilde felt like they had to marry a woman and have kids? So that's one way gay genes could have survived. Societal pressure from homophobes drove gays into procreation. Ah, the delicious irony. Another way gay could be passed down is through daughters as well as sons. In this case, they're not gay genes per se. They're more like, I'm super attracted to the brawny paper towel guy genes. So a brother and sister might be both attracted to the same hunkosaurus, and she'll grow up to pass that gene along to her kids. Now, these are just some ad hoc explanations for how the gay gene could survive, but let's seal the deal with some cold hard figures. Identical twins have identical genes, whereas regular siblings share only half, right? Well, one study found that 22% of gay men had siblings who were also gay. 1 out of 5. But a gay man who has an identical twin, that twin is also gay 52% of the time, more than half. Now, pretty solid proof that being gay has a strong genetic component. Aside from genetics, though, scientists have found a surprising non-genetic factor that determines male sexuality. Older brothers. More than 20 studies have found that the likelihood of being gay increases with each additional older brother a boy has. So the middle Jonas, 2 times more likely to be gay than the oldest Jonas. And the youngest Jonas, 10 times more likely to be gay than any guy who doesn't wear a purity ring. Researchers believe that with each male child, the mom develops an immunity to specific male proteins, causing her body to attack them. Female bodies literally attack the street out of babies. Justify that, Todd Aiken. So we know that gay is mostly genetic, though there are clearly other factors at work, and honestly, a lot more research needs to be done. It's apparently crazy difficult to get funding for sex research. For a long time, the National Institute of Health turned down grant proposals that included the word gay or condom in them. Because if it isn't fit to read to the Queen, it isn't science! No matter what the cause, there's nothing wrong with loving who you love. So click on the link in the description below to take the Freedom to Marry pledge. Show your support for same-sex couples. For BFD, I'm Kimmy Gatewood. Some things you're born with, and some things you choose. Choose to subscribe. Well, find out where you were born.